Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. In here, we will explain about the identifications that sort parasite from the genus of Cerosophylides and Havia. Keep it watching our presentation. This is a picture of two genus. The one is genus Cerosophylides and the second picture is genus Havia. We will discuss about 1. Morphology, 2. Classification, 3. Life cycle, 4. Clinical sign, and 5. Predilection. 1. Genus Cerophylides. Classification of Cerophylides sp. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Platyhelminthes, Order Cerophylidea, Family Cerophyllideae, Genus Cerophyllides, Species Cerophyllides sp.
Morphology of Caryophyllaedes phaenica. Diagnosis based on 7 whorl-mounted specimens and 2 cross and 2 sagittal sections from Acrocylus alutaceus in Trout Creek, Oregon. Body 10 to 13 millimeters long, maximum width 1.0 millimeters at level slightly anterior to first vitelline follicles, then body narrowing slightly and continuously toward cusped posterior end. Surface uniformly covered with asexular filatrices. Inner longitudinal musculature well developed, formed by small bundles of muscle fibers. Scolex avosate, cuneiform, 567 to 732 wide, with hemispheric or bluntly terminating smooth anterior margin. The morphology of Caryophyllaedes phaenica we know from Figure 2, Figure 3, and Figure 4.
Based on the left picture we know that figure scanning electron micrographs of the scolex of Palearctic species of Caryophyllida. For genus Caryophyllaedes is figure F, Caryophyllaedes ergenci, figure G, Caryophyllaedes phaenica, figure H, Caryophyllaeus branchialis, figure I, Caryophyllaeus fimbriceps, and figure J, Caryophyllaeus laticeps. And based on the right picture is figure for genus of Caryophyllaean tapeworms, especially for Platyhelminthes from freshwater fish in Japan. Figure A and H is species Peracarpyleus gottoi. Figure B until G, I and J is species Caryophyllaedes ergenci, and for figure A and D is picture is entire worms. Figure B, C, A, F, and H is anterior end. Figure G, I, and J is cross-section.
Caryophyllaedes. This genus have identification keys such as ovary uninverted, A-shaped, and scolex fan-like, often wider than a body.
In the Caryophyllidea life cycle, adults live in fish, who pass the tapeworm eggs in their faces. Annelids eat the eggs, where they hatch into angiosperm larvae that move through intestinal wall and become proper-jointed larvae in the body cavity. When the annelid is eaten by a fish, the tapeworm matures.
Clinical symptom of Caryophyllidea. Clinical symptom caused by cultured fish affected by the parasite Caryophyllidea will experience severe infection that cause weakness, dizziness, nervous disorders, and digestive disorders. Fish will lose appetite and have an impact on reducing growth, which will cause death in fish.
Predilection. This testosterone predilection is in fact the alimentary tract, muscle, or other internal organ of fish. The clinical sign when fish is affected by testosterone parasite are variable degree of dropsy, distended abdomen, and reduced activity. Most of them require at least one intermediate host and complete their life cycles as adults in the definitive host. Testosterone parasites have scolex. Scolex is an attachment organ used to fasten the parasite to the host's intestinal mucosa, so it is generally provided with holdfast structures such as sucker and botria, and additionally hooks or proboscis.
2. Genus Hawia.
Classification Kawia sinensis. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Class Cestoda. Order Caryophyllidea. Family Lithochastidae. Genus Kawia. Species Kawia sinensis.
Kawia sp show typical characteristic of the genus, especially the presence of an opposite scolex Vitelline follicles in the cortical parenchyma. Uterus not looping anterior the cirrus sac. Gonoporous separate but opening in common genital atrium. External seminal vesicle absent. And the presence of postovariant Vitelline follicles. The new exhibit a strikingly different body shape in comparison to that of other cognatic species.
Figure 1. The species of Kawia sp have parts of the body as follows: A. Holotype. B. C. Paratypes, anterior part of the body. D. Holotype, posterior part of the body. E. F. Paratypes, posterior part of the body, sagittal section. G. Scheme of the entire room. H. Arrangement of the testes and vitellaria in cross section. I. Frontal view of terminal genitalia. CS. Cirrus sac. CGA. Common genital atrium. ILM. Inner longitudinal musculature. MG. Male gonopore. MSG. Mehlis gland. OE. Ovarian isthmus. T. Testes. U. Uterus. UVB uterovaginal port, VA veg.
Kawia. This genus have identification key based on characteristics of the scaled and genital organs, such as the posterior extent of vitelline follicle and shape of the ovary.
Life cycle of Kawia, a time reconstruction of main stage of spermiogenesis in Kawia armeniaca. A. B. Early stage. In the early stage includes the presence of apical dense material described previously only in pseudophylidens, both batriocephalid and diplobotrid. C and D. Advanced stage. A. Final stage of spermiogenesis. AM. Arching membranes. X. Axoneme. C. Centriole or basal body. CM. Cortical microtube. DM. Dense material. F. Flagellum. FB. Flagellal bud. ICB. Intercentriolar body. MCP. Median cytoplasmic process. And nucleus. R1, R2, root, ZD, the zone of differentiation.
Clinical sign of Hawea SP. Hawea can be found throughout the intestine. In cases of intensive infection with 35 until 50 worms, the parasites completely obstruct the intestinal lumen and mortalities occur. Pathology of the gut includes lesion, blood loss, inflammation, proliferation of gut mucosa, and increased mucus production.
Predilection. They mostly parasitize in the intestine of fish. Hawea sp can be found in freshwater fish. Many of them are parasitic in fish, either as adults or as larvae.
Thank you for your attention, may be useful. And this is our photo from group 3. That's all of us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.